Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Pooja's Kitchen Time. Today I am going to show you how to make authentic style chicken curry. Now let's see what all we need. Take one medium sized onion and 1 teaspoon turmeric and make it a paste. For another masala, take one very small onion, 1.5 inch ginger, 8 to 10 pods garlic, 4 to 5 pieces of cinnamon, 7 to 8 cloves, and handful of coriander leaves. To this you can add little mint also and make everything to a paste. And take 2 tablespoons of coriander powder and 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Add some water and make it a paste. Grind 1 small tomato, it's optional. To make coconut paste, take 1/4 cup of freshly grated coconut, 1 teaspoon poppy seeds and 1 cardamom. Grind everything into a very fine paste. Now our all masalas are ready. It's looking very colorful. Now let's see how to prepare chicken curry. In a pan, add around 5 tablespoons of oil, 1 small piece cinnamon, 1 cardamom, few sliced onions and 1 garlic pod. Fry everything well and then add chicken. And fry the chicken till it turns white in color. Now into this add salt to taste. And fry till the water evaporates. Into this add our onion and turmeric paste. Mix everything well and cover the lid and cook for about 10 minutes. Now let's check the chicken. Now it started oozing out the oil. You can serve this for kids who won't eat spices. Next into this, let's add the green masala and saute it. Now into this, add the red masala and fry everything till the oil oozes out and the raw smell goes. Now into this, add the tomato paste and saute it. Now to this, add water as required to get curry consistency. The curry should be little thin and let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's check the chicken. The chicken is now tender and cooked. Now finally add the coconut paste and cook it for about 2 minutes and switch off the flame. Now the chicken curry is ready. Friends, this looks like a very long process, but it's very easy to make. Trust me friends, this will be very delicious. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment in the comment box below. If you like my videos, please share with others and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.